Friends, I was just at my neighbor's house and you're not gonna believe what they gave me. A bunch of beehives. I'm so excited. I was just thinking about needing to buy another hive and guess what? They gave me one. I'm so excited for this. Let me show you everything that they gave me. Alright friends, so these are the awesome things that my neighbor gave to me. He was telling me that him and his brother got into bees a while back and they've been out of the game for a while, and he had these in his garage and was doing some cleaning up and asked if I would want them. So definitely I want them. I definitely need to figure out how to clean them. I know there's a certain way that you're probably going to have to clean them before you can put any bees in there, which I need to do some research on. If any of you know, drop it down in the comments, let me know. All my bee friends out there, let me know what I need to do. I've already sent a message to Robert, my mentor, and asked him, and waiting for a response back from him on what I need to do to properly clean these. But let me show you everything that they gave me. The main box that they would go into, second box to go on top. I've got a little separator here, another one that can go on top. This would be like the honey super. And the lid to go on top of all that. So that's 3 tiers that I've got here. The main bottom one, the middle one, and then the top super. So this is awesome to get. I'm really excited. Definitely need to figure out what to do to clean it though. He also gave me all of his old frames that he had that I can use in the box. He had also bought a whole box of the wax to help them start building their comb. So I've got an entire box full of that. I haven't used these yet, so I will have to do some research on how to use these, as well as talk to Robert and see what he says, and he'll point me in the right direction for sure. But I'm so excited, friends. This is a huge gift. They just gave it to me. He didn't want anything for it. He just wanted to give it to me, and knowing that it's going to go to a good home and definitely get used. So I'm really excited. This was an awesome, awesome gift. There's so many of these combs in here. I don't know about you, but I love the smell of honeycomb. It smells so good. And I'm gonna have to check and see if this is still around. The Walter T. Kelly Company, manufacturer of bee supplies in Clarkson, Kentucky. So I'm gonna have to look it up and see if they still are around. Maybe I'll be able to do a tour of their facility. Alright friends, so I'm going to go ahead and go store this down in our picnic area. That's where I'm putting all of my bee stuff. That way I know where it's at and it's safe and I don't have to worry about it getting messed with or, you know, anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take that over there, and then we're going to be doing something else fun today. Alright friends, so tomorrow is our farmers market at our local Tractor Supply, and that is when we're going to go ahead and sell all of the roosters that we don't want. So like I told you, I think last month, that we had like 15 roosters that we need to get rid of. There's just too many. So tonight we are going to be loading them all up into cages, and tomorrow morning I will be taking them down and hopefully selling them all. I will probably end up giving them away if I can't sell them, because I don't want to bring them back. They're just too much, way too much. So first I thought I would go down to the garden and see if there's any excess of one particular pepper that I don't typically need right now, and maybe I can sell that as well. So we're gonna head down to the garden right now and see what I can find over there that we can possibly take with us to the farmer's market tomorrow. While we're right here, we'll go ahead and get Mr. Hagrid some squash that I have right here. He loves his squash. I scored with tomatoes. It's a nice little harvest I got here. Make some salsa out of this. now onto the peppers. Well, I have just a handful of bell peppers and tons of jalapenos. So that's what I'll be taking to the farmer's market tomorrow. All the tomatoes I will be keeping here to make salsa. All right, friends, so we successfully got all of the chickens, all of the roosters, wrangled up. We waited until they were roosting and calm so we can grab them and put them in the cages. And I can show you all the roosters I got. All right, so starters down here, I've got a silky. The white one is a silky, and then the other one is a combination of a blue laced Wyandotte with one of our other females. In this cage, I've got 5 Barred Rock roosters, and these are a combination of Barred Rock and Americanas. I've got 2 more Barred Rock roosters in here. I've got a small Barred Rock rooster in here, and 2 Comet roosters. A lot of roosters. So in total, that is 12 roosters. We did keep a couple of the roosters. Mr. Lady, we kept him, and then we kept the baby Bantams and the baby Golden Phoenixes. We kept those roosters because they don't bother anybody. And Mr. Lady, because that is our Miss Lady's only offspring, so we decided to go ahead and keep him, and we'll end up breeding him with all of the Wyandotte hens that I got a couple weeks ago. All right, so we're gonna put these guys to bed, and then tomorrow morning we're heading out to the farmer's market. All right, friends, so I'll bring you along on a separate video of the farmer's market tomorrow and let you know how that goes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.